Oh, hi guys again. It's been around 3 hours now. So let's turn the light off and remove the card box and see how the watches are doing the lume. Oh, I can't see shit. Nothing. All of them? Really? Oh, maybe. No. The iPad camera won't pick it up. However, looking at the watches, not through the camera, I can still see the NTH and the Seiko. The Seiko I can just barely see, but the NTH I can see with my eyes. Maybe I'm trying to find it. No, nothing. Okay, I'm gonna turn the light on. So this one here, I can see with my eyes if I don't look in through the iPad camera, and I can barely make out the Seiko, but a little. I can't tell the time, but on the NTH I can. So, but not through the iPad viewfinder here. So it's a crappy camera. It's probably why. But yeah. So this one will last about 3 hours. Not much longer, I think. So okay, thanks for watching, and that was that. Take care.